Okay, so hi, it's Shruti. So there's a lot of chatter and talk about self-love and detachment on the internet, and it feels very overwhelming and it feels very unrealistic, right? So let me make it simpler for you and let me tell you the steps that you can actually take to really be yourself and be with yourself. Just give me 2 minutes for that. So, the point here is self love is not about doing extraordinary things. Self love is just about embracing yourself and liking your own company. It's very difficult. The most difficult thing that I believe in life is to be with yourself and not be dependent on people, to do things that you really like. Many a times we just have the barriers created in our head that, okay, I'm not able to do it because I don't have people to give me company. But if you really like it, if that's something that makes you at ease, that makes you at peace, then why not? For example, if you'll sit in your room and you'll be like, okay, why I'm not feeling very happy around Diwali? You need to get out, you need to talk to people, you need to dress up, you need to go out there in the market and explore what's happening around, and then you'll feel happy, right? We need people around us, but what I'm trying to say here is we do not need people to be with us to begin this journey of self love, right? Let's say I like to apply mehendi, I just like to get dressed up. Maybe my family is not very much in the capacity to get dressed up this time. They don't want to enjoy as much as I want to. But it's not stopping me from doing things what I really like, because I'm not doing it for other people's validation. I'm not doing it for the internet. I'm not doing it for just celebrating or just letting people know that okay, I am doing something. For me, it's just finding solace in my own company, just sitting in my room and planning my OOTD, just creating content for you guys, for myself primarily, and just be around my family and feel at ease. That's what we are lacking. We are all looking for peace here and there, but it's within you, it's around the people. Maybe those people cannot talk to you all the time, they cannot be there for you all the time, but their presence comes with a warmth. I don't have 10 Diwali parties to go to, but that doesn't define my worth. I'm still doing what I really like. I'm on the journey of self love and I am embracing it. So, for everyone out there who wants to embrace themselves, who wants to enjoy their own company, maybe just do what you've always wanted to. Maybe do not wait for people to give you company. Maybe go out for that movie, maybe go for that storytelling show, maybe go and eat out alone. It can be scary in the beginning, but you'll really enjoy it. You'll really feel fulfilled, and that's what all self-love is all about. It's not about proving the world that you are enough for yourself. It's about accepting yourself and embracing what you really like. So I hope it really helped, and yeah,